Sa kasal, may forever. Sa Diyos, sa relasyon niya sa atin, forever din. At yun din kayo, ang ipapangako niyo, pang matagalan.
We need a little more wholeness, love, strength, and balance. Are you up for the challenge? We need a little more wholeness, love, strength, and balance. Are you up for the challenge? We need a little more wholeness, love, strength, and balance. Are you up for the challenge? No need for permission.
Ito po, ayusin mo muna. Wala ka naman. Ano ba? Ayos mo naman. Ako na nga mag-aayos yung sa'yo. Eh, arborin mo ba to? Hindi, papabili ko to second hand.
We need a little more wholeness, love, strength, and balance. Are you up for the challenge? We need a little more wholeness, love, strength, and balance.
Pagka mag-aasawa kayo, babae ha. Babae ha namin.
We need a little more wholeness, love, strength, and balance. Are you up for the challenge? We need a little more wholeness, love, strength, and balance. Are you up for the challenge? No need for permission.
To the man who never fails to support me, my love, love of my life, Michael. Salamat sa matyagang paghihintay sa akin. Hindi naging madali yung pinagdaanan natin ng maraming taon na magkalayo. Gumating yung araw na napagod tayo sa isa't isa, hindi magkaintindihan at gusto nang sumuko.
Simula sa araw na to, wala nang ikaw at ako. Ang meron na lang ay tayo.
I will always love you. How I do. I let go of a prayer for you. Just a sweet word. The table is prepared for you.
Kayo nagkasal na at magkasama na kayo. Bawasan yung mga away-away at palaging magmahalan. Ganon.
Wishing you Godspeed, glory. There will be
Irma,
mountains you
bukal ba sa iyong labang ipagparito, pamakis ang dibdib? Si Michael na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
always be
Papa, Father.
Michael, bukal ba sa iyong labang ipagparito, upang pamakis ang dibdib si Irma na iyong pakamamahalin, paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
It's a free world, and you look down on where you came from.
We are all imperfect beings, creatures. Lahat naman tayo ay nagkakamali eh. Lahat naman tayo ay isang mahina, marupok. Kasi may Diyos tayong perfect na hindi siya nagsasawang mag-guide, magmahal sa atin. Kasi yung pagmamahal ay hindi conditionan. Kasi yung Diyos natin ay nagpapatawad, umuunawa. Kasi yung Diyos natin ay mahabagin.
There's blood in the
With the help of the Lord, He make us realize na hindi natin kaya ang wala ang isa't isa. I thank God for giving me like you na napakasipag, responsable, mabait, syempre gwapo sa paningin ko.
'Cause I was broken. Words that were spoken.
Ito ng araw na katuparan ng isa sa mga pangarap natin. We started our love story 11 years ago. We were once schoolmates and eventually naging mag-roommates tayo.
Are we tethered to all the whatsoever?
From this day forward, as I leave everything behind for a new life together, I vow to always love you no matter what.
Plan ko na mag-propose sa'yo last 2020 pero naantala dahil sa pandemic. Siguro dahil gusto po muna tayong bigyan ni Lord ng test, kaya dumating sa atin isang napakalaking pagsubok. Sabay tayo pumasok sa next chapter ng ating buhay, kaya walang may iwan, sabay tayong mag-grow, sabay tayong tutupad ang iba nating mga pangarap. Kasama na ang bubuin nating pamilya. Mahal na mahal kita.
I'll be your shelter. I'll be your anchor. I'll be your home. Daughter, there's blood in the water. But the eyes of your father are watching you, keeping you close. 'Cause I was broken. Words that were spoken cut me wide open. Watching you, keeping you close. But I'll be tethered to all the words.
Salamat din mo ako sinukuan. Today, I promise na ikaw ang pipiliin ko sa araw-araw at mamahalin ko habang buhay.
Watching you, keeping you close.